Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, we're going to show you how to set up animated wallpapers or live wallpapers. For this to work, you're going to want to go to your Microsoft Store. So you can search that either here on the search bar or usually it's pinned already on your computer or your desktop. So here, what you're going to want to do is you can either choose from these three applications that we have handpicked for you. So just select live wallpapers. You can either use lively wallpaper, live wallpapers, or you can also download this one, X Live Wallpaper. We have here X Live Wallpaper. So very quickly, it already has some animated wallpapers that you can use. You can also add in some of your own wallpapers here. Just select a file or a website URL that you can set as a wallpaper. So you can go to YouTube, copy a URL link, and then instantly you can make that as your wallpaper. You may also choose from their wide range choices of wallpapers right here. So from movies to cartoons to video games, they have it all. So you just need to choose depending on your preference. And now to install or to set it up, simply just right click on your preferred wallpaper and then select set as wallpaper and will look like this as a preview. It will look like that as your wallpaper. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.